to knock down that nettle with your foot in front of you. Yep. Keep knocking that stuff down. You don't want to. Find it, Lilo. Oh, she's on it.
No, okay.
Oh, look at the black caps.
Did you find it? No. Look, get out of there.
Lilo's got it though. Here you go. Dean.
I don't want to eat too much of this. It flew out into me. Oh, Lilo, no! Nasty! Come on.
Lilo got it. Good girl.
Good girl.
That's a good girl. Let's find the arrow in there. She got it right away. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, good sniffer nose.
Oh, dead in the center.
Oh yeah, no. You know, nailed it. Perfect shot. Did you find your arrow?
That's how good that was.
Oh yeah, nailed it. Look at that. Are you both videoing?
Little Akis. I don't know.
No, you can't have this. I know that's a good girl. Look at her.
Now you gotta find your arrow.
That's a good girl. Yeah, you found it. Yeah. Justin shot it. You found it. Good girl. Yeah.